Hey peaches, welcome back to another vlog. I'm on the sofa again. Boys just left to give me a small little smidge of a break. I was telling Dustin, socializing is hard for me. He was like, well, it's just me and Dash. And I was like, I know. It's just being around people, oh, it's so hard sometimes. But I'm very excited because we are redoing the master bedroom. I have been slowly like getting stuff and just putting it aside so I can do all of it at the same time. And our big purchase for the master bedroom was a new mattress, which we have not gotten one since we got married. We got married in 2018, so it has been a minute. This morning we got a mattress, we got a new frame for it, we got just new, all of it new, and it's so nice to do something like that. Been sitting in bed at night and I just feel so like anxious in that room. And so I'm hoping a little reset is gonna be what I need, but we're doing a totally different color scheme. And so I hope that it ties together good. I went ahead and did like some before shots of it, which I'll put in, and you can clearly see there's a lot going on and also not a lot going on at the same time somehow. But I got another one of the chairs like I got for the office, which is the Drew Barrymore, it's like the buccal chair from Walmart, and they're so good. They're typically, I don't think I've literally ever seen it on sale, but it's like typically $298, which is a lot to drop on a chair, 100% worth it. It's so good. So now we have one for the office and I have finally gotten one for upstairs too. I just think it's gonna be so good, but I just wanted to give a little intro to what we're gonna get up to in this vlog. I think me and Dustin may do a date day soon. Maybe I'll take you guys along for that, see if we find any Halloween finds, and yes. I think right now is not the best time to see them because it's been kind of a wild day, but I think this is gonna be the way, like the key to styling my bangs right now is letting them be like kind of curly. I've been obsessed with how they look right now. Anyways, random word bleh all over you. Again, let me know how you're doing and how your week is going, and yeah. All right, so today I've got to clean up all this. These are mostly library books. I can't wait for the new tables. Side tables, I think they're gonna look great. I'm gonna go ahead and wash our sheets because the new ones are not gonna be here until Saturday, unfortunately. And the chair that's over here, I don't think Dustin and I are gonna be able to move this ourselves. I think he's gonna have to have his dad's help with that. I'm not gonna be a lot of help, so unfortunately, that's gonna have to stay up here, and I think that'll make a big difference. But we got the chair put together, looks so good and cute. Dash loves it. And then I actually ordered another little lamp to go behind it. I just thought that would cozy up that corner. I think to start, and yeah, we have a book problem. I think to start, I'm just going to kind of pick up here a bit, and then we'll start putting some stuff together and see what we can do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. This is a little tree I got from Amazon, and I'm also going to go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and get our duvet cover and the duvet out and let it kind of fill up. And our side tables actually just got here, even though they're not supposed to be here till Saturday. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the side tables put together and what I can do now. Perfect.
It's a great fit.
All right, you want to go on down with Daddy? Look, we've got screws and equipment everywhere. Watch our toes. Ooh, holy cow. I thought I was going to film more of that, but it's done. I'll show you guys. The quickest way to test your marriage is assemble furniture together. Okay, here is everything, and I am loving the way that it looks. So the side tables are from Walmart. The headboard is from Walmart. Our mattress, if anyone is wondering, is from Mattress Firm. And it came with, I don't remember if I already said this, a little adjustable, and I I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the fancy life. I'm so excited. So I slightly feel like I'm gonna pass out, but I don't think I really am going to. And anyway, I'm gonna get the bed made, and then this project will almost be over. We're still waiting on the rug and the actual sheets I'm gonna use on the bed tonight. I'm just using the ones we were using. I just washed them so they'd be nice and fresh. Our olive tree that I put together is here, and we're gonna move that gray chair. And then I have like a whole heap of like old pillows and blankets I'm gonna get rid of. And yeah, so I'm loving how it's looking, but today has been a day. We got the bed made all together, sort of. Obviously all this is still gonna go away, and Dash has already made it like home, but our rug just showed up, so that's gonna be like the final thing up here, I think. Good morning, you guys. We are up and at it today. I have a full day of UGC content to film today. So I'm starting off with some Alani. This is the first time I've been able to get the witch's brew. I've literally never seen it in store anywhere. So I did end up ordering this. Can I watch it? Dash is playing Donkey Kong. I've never been able to find it in store anywhere, so I did actually end up ordering this online. And it's as good as everyone says it is. It's literally a candy apple in a can. It's so good. So yeah, I think I have a total of like 7 videos to film today. Luckily, I was able to do some of the B-roll over the weekend, so I don't have to spend so much time on it today. But it is so hard on these days where I know Dash and I are gonna have kind of like a disconnect for a little part of the day, so I can get my work done for like the whole week. Luckily, like I said, it's not all that, I mean, it's a lot of work, but I was able to do some of it already, so it's not like it's gonna take the whole day. It's just gonna take a couple little hours. Also, we got Ghosty McGee in there. I'm so excited to have him. Online at Michael's, it kept saying they were out of stock. And I know in the last vlog I showed you guys that was there, and I was like, I keep wanting to come back for it. And I always say I'm gonna get one, but I don't. So I was like, I think I need to go ahead and order that, because I didn't realize on sale that was like $95, and not on sale, it's like 140 or something. And so I was like, that's a pretty good savings. And I've wanted one for so long. It's just like a candy, I don't even know if I said what it was. It's just like a candy holder, you know, it's like a little bowl. And so I'm gonna put it out by the front door. I just love it. But anyways, when I looked online, it was like all sold out, and I was so disappointed, but we went, and I'm glad we did, because Dustin was like, you can't trust Michael's online, like what they say is in stock, because normally it's wrong. Oh my gosh. This tastes like when the leaves change. I don't know, it just does. So anyway, I'm glad I listened to Dustin, because otherwise I don't think I would have gotten it. It was still the only one there. And the guy that was checking us out, I was like carrying on and on with Dustin. I can't believe it was here, it's still on sale. And we ended up getting a few other things. And I was like, we paid less for all of this stuff, and that is full price. And he was just like giggling, and I was like, I'm excited. I wanted to show you guys, I have no idea what's going on in this vlog so far, to be honest with you. I wanted to film more of like us setting up the bedroom, but it was such a nightmare to do it with just me and Dustin, and also like try to not have a toddler in the middle of it for safety reasons, obviously. So yeah, what the footage that you've seen is the footage that I got, but I love how the bedroom turned out. I'll do one more like pan around for you guys to see, and I'm kind of thinking I may leave the gray rocking chair there for now. I can't tell if it's cozy aesthetic or if it's like mismatch in a tacky way aesthetic, you know? I really like how it's looking up there. It's just like, I just feel so much more calm, which is exactly what I was saying. I just feel so panicked going to sleep up in that bedroom. And anyway, it's just so much better. I also, I'm gonna try to put in a clip. I don't know how I'm gonna film this. I don't even know where my tripod is. Literally just bought these jeans just now, like an hour ago at Walmart, and holy cow, so much better than I thought that they would be. Now, jeans have gotten incredibly hard for me because my butt and my thighs will always be bigger than the rest of me. And body type wise, I don't really have a problem with that. But now I have the gut to match and don't like that, because it's so difficult to find jeans that fit me well when I'm standing and don't absolutely cut off life from me when I sit down. Yeah. I'm finding a lot of the times that I either have like a gaping like the back is gaping open when I sit down to be able to fit my thighs and my butt when I'm standing. Anyway, it's just been hard, but these were $25. There's Sophia, I don't remember which ones they are, but I'll try to put a little here so you guys can see. But they're so comfortable and they're really giving like, I'm gonna age myself, but it's okay, like Hollister vibes. They're kind of bell-bottomy and I love that kind of look. That's like my favorite jean look. So let me see if I can show you guys. This is not the best view. Can you tell? They're bell-bottomy. They're still, this is a size 12. They're still very tight on my bottom, but I'm gonna lose some gut weight and it'll even it out. But I love the shape of these. These are $25 and that's not on sale, so highly recommend. I also ordered these Levi overalls for way too much money on Amazon this morning and I'm hoping that they fit and look amazing. Love you. Okay, everything shower later. It's always the best feeling. You guys are a little crooked right now, so sorry about that. I wanted to show you a little haul from Old Navy of what I got for Dash the other day. He's already worn, I can't talk today. He's already worn this shirt, but I thought it was so cute. That toddler energy. I was like, accurate. Hi, Sugar Lump. Hi. This was on clearance for a couple bucks. It just says wild and fits his aesthetic. Justin saw this one and loved it and was like, it looks so retro, he has to have it. I love it too. So cute. This was also on sale. Dash loves buses, so I got him this. Then this little shirt that just has like race flags on it. So cute. And then we got him a set Jurassic World, not Jurassic Park, excuse me. And then these are so cute. It's kind of hard to show these because they're all strung together. Their pajamas were on sale for $10. And these are like that Henley kind of fabric. Just super comfortable and like warm but not too hot. Dash is outgrowing stuff so fast now and I don't really shop at Target very much anymore, but they do tend to have like the best prices on toddler pajamas because they do sometimes 2 pairs, like a 2-pack for like $16. And like I said, at Old Navy, these were on sale for $10 for just 1 pair of pajamas. Then over the weekend, Dustin got some really tough news, and so not about him, but it's just been like kind of a rough start of the week this week. He went back to work and then that was like right before he went back. And so anyways, I just kind of thought he could use some sort of little like pick me up when he gets home. I wanted to do this last night as like a start to his week kind of a thing. And then the other thing happened. And so anyway, I was like, for sure we're doing it. But I just want to say really quickly before I show these, I sometimes feel like the mom that's like, get off that game box, because I don't know what's happening really anymore. I bought him a game 2 weeks ago that he's been talking about, and I was so excited to give it to him, and I gave it to him, and I'm always like, I hope it's the right thing, which is a stupid thing to say because I know what game he's looking for. Wrong. It was wrong. It's the European version. What the heck does that mean? I don't know. Got to return that game and switch it for the American version, I guess. I was like, how would you even know looking at that it is? But apparently there's a way. Anywho, he said that he wanted this Pro controller, and so I ordered it. Dash is super trying to be a part of this, but I'm trying to keep him off camera. Anyway, the Nintendo Switch 2 camera, so they have this one, and then they have the one that's like the Mario, like, you know, Vine thing. Anyways, I can't think of what it's called. But apparently that's not even like a licensed Nintendo product. And so when I was looking at reviews for both of these, that one was like, had horrible reviews. And so this is the one I got. I hope he's not disappointed, but I'm going to go and put this in the movie room for him. So when he gets home tonight, he'll have a little just something to feel a little excited, I guess. This is an absolutely crazy week. We've had so many different things going on and had a bit of a medical emergency last night. Everyone's fine, but I wanted to show you guys how the bedroom turned out before I ended out this vlog. I'm going to create a little like to know it post with as much linked as I possibly can. Some of my stuff is older, like Target stuff, but a lot of it, well, I would show you. A lot of the new stuff is Amazon or Walmart actually, and I love it all so much. I think it looks amazing up here. Here is how it ended up. I love the browns. I think it looks so good. I still have several pillows and like blankets and stuff to get rid of because no one came for them yet. I wanted to show you guys this little Amazon light, this little magnetic remote, and it does like all different kinds of temperatures. You can make it dimmer, really, really bright. I think that was a super good purchase. I love that. So cozy over there. Here it is. All pretty much finished. I'm leaving the chair obviously for now, but we'll see if I change my mind. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the brown kind of tan scheme. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss next Friday's vlog. I'm not sure what we're gonna get up to, but something fun and Halloween-y for sure. I'll see you next time. Bye.